In this video, I'll detail how to use live speech on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch, whether it is the Apple Watch Series 9 or Series 8 or higher version, here I'm going to show you how you can easily use live speech on your Apple Watch. So if I don't know this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do is just click on the digital crown once to exit the clock face or watch face and go to the app list. Then on the app list screen, click on settings. One of the settings you want to scroll down until you get to accessibility and click on that. Then keep scrolling until you get to live speech. If live speech is disabled in your case, go ahead and turn on live speech just like this. Now once you enable live speech, you can just come here and choose your live speech voice. That is, live speech uses keyboard to determine available voice. So if you click on that, you see available voices you have here. Then click on it. Then select. Then use as voice. You can also try speak sample.
Hello, my name is Karen.
So if you're satisfied with that, just hit the power button, and that is going to set as your new live speech on your Apple Watch. Now to use live speech on your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is go to where you want to use live speech, or double tap the digital crown 3 consecutive times. Now once you click on live speech, you'll be prompted to enter text to speak. Then go ahead and type in the text you want to speak. So I just type live speech on Apple Watch, then click on the send button.
Live speech on Apple Watch.
You see that? So that is how you can easily use live speech on Apple Watch. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.